Excel Workbook and the Use of English, Grade 5, Module 1C, exercises from 1 to 6, pages 8 and 9. Exercise 1, read the email and answer the questions. Hi Chloe, I have to write to you about this. In Pennsylvania, there is a very unusual home. It is a house in the shape of a shoe. Yes, a shoe. The shoe house is a 5-story house. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There is also a kitchen and a living room. Outside there is a beautiful garden with many trees and plants. The house is made of wood and metal. It isn't a home anymore. You can buy ice cream there now. You should see it. It is very strange, but I like it. Bye, Julie. The first question. Where is the house? The house is in Pennsylvania. The second question. What shape is it? It is in the shape of shoe. The third question. How many floors are there? There are 5 floors. The fourth. How many rooms has it got? It has got 7 rooms. The fifth. What is there outside the house? Outside the house there is a beautiful garden with many trees and plants. What is a house made of? The house is made of wood and metal. Is it a home now? No, it is not a home now. What can you do there now? Now you can buy ice cream there. Exercise 2. Imagine the shoe house is for sale. Complete the advert. Shoe house for sale. Unusual shoe house made of wood and metal. 5 floors, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Modern kitchen, large living room and spacious front and back gardens with many trees and plants. Exercise 3. Read and write A or B. Concert Road, SE 15. Large family home with 3 floors, 4 double bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Garage, garden, spacious living room with fireplace and a large modern kitchen. Telephone number 02089819944. B. Allen Park, SA 21. Small flat close to city center. Kitchen area with cooker and a fridge. Small garden near to train station. Telephone number 02076597218. The first sentence. It is great for a family. A. The second. It is near to the shops. B. The third. It is near to a train station. B. The fourth. It has got 8 rooms. 8. The fifth. It is a good place for a student. B. The sixth. It has got a place for a car. A. Exercise 4. Listen and complete the gaps. House for sale. This lovely house is now for sale. It has got 4 large bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms. It has also got a large living room and a kitchen. Outside there is a big garden and lots of trees. Please contact Mr. Brown on 202-463-789 for more information. Exercise 5. Look at the pictures and complete the crossword. The first, scorpion. The second, cockroach. The third, spider. The fourth, fly. The fifth, flea. The sixth, bedbugs. Exercise 6. Fill in. The first sentence, my little brother has a hiding place where nobody can find him. The second sentence, John doesn't like creepy crawlies like spiders and cockroaches. The third, there isn't anyone else in the house. He is alone. The fourth, there is a great view of the park from my bedroom window. The fifth, there aren't any bugs in clean and tidy places.